Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. So today, as we know that the first Feb is starting from here, so what I was thinking about, आज से मैं पूरे वीक और पूरे मंथ के हर एक एक क्वेश्चन हर में डालूंगा। मतलब ये है कि मुझे फ्यूचर में थोड़ा ट्रैवल करना पड़ेगा, तो इस वजह से मैं उस वीक के 3-4 क्वेश्चन पॉसिबली कि मैं ना डाल पाऊँ, पर जितने दिन मैं हूँ टाउन में हर रोज़ डेली लीड कोड का सॉल्यूशन मैं डाल दूंगा, और वो भी बेस्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन मैं आपको दूंगा। चलिए, ठीक है, फिर आज का स्टार्ट करते हैं लीड कोड का क्वेश्चन। आज का क्वेश्चन इजी है, मतलब क्वेश्चन तो इजी है ही मार्क्ड, और लॉजिक भी इसका बहुत सिंपल है, मतलब बहुत ही इजी है। You don't have to think too much about the solution for this question. Okay, so what's the question says? We have given an array considered special. Okay, we have given an array and it's considered special when if every pair of its adjacent elements contains two numbers with different parity. Yeah, that's all. So what we have to find whether the array is special or not. So let's go with, so element is if array contain only single element, it means that there is no adjacent, so it's always a special, right? If element has more than one element, if array has more than one element, then we have to check if the parity of two adjacent element is different. Parity means if I'll convert 2 into binary, so what will be its binary? 1 0, and its adjacent is 1. If I'm converting 1 into binary, then it's 0 1. So parity means here the the last value. If it's 0 and if it's 1, then both are different. Okay, now check for the second two adjacent. First we checked for this, now we are checking for 1 and 4. So 4 means 1 0 0 1, the last is 1, here the last is 0. Yeah, so both are different, here also the both are different, so we can say that our array is special. Now let's say we have example 2 4 1. Now, what we can say here, the parity of 2 and 4 are same or not. So if we are representing it into the binary, then 2 is 1 0, 4 is 1 0 0. If we are checking the parity, means the last bit, yeah, the last bit is same. So we can't say this is special. No, this is not special. Okay, so this is what we have to do in the code. Easy. Okay, so let me write the approach, what we have to check here. So if you noticed one thing, as we have to check this as a last bit, and if you are somewhat familiar about the binary, then for every even number, the last bit is 0, and for every odd number, the last bit is 1. So don't you think that it is the same as if the number is divisible by 2, means its last parity is 0, last bit is 0, and if it's not divisible by 2, means it's odd, then its last bit is 1. So this condition and this two check are the same thing. So based on that, let me write the approach. So what we will do, we will first have to check the edge case. What is the edge case? If let's say n is the size of array, so if n equal to 1, then we are returning true. It means that we don't have to compare it with its adjacent. Yeah, this is the first thing. Now what is the second thing? The second thing is that now we have more than one element, so what we will do, we will traverse the array. So we can use a two pointer here. The first which will start from 0, and the second which is from 0 plus 1 equal to 1, and we are side by side moving this window of size 2. Okay, so what we can checking here, that if let's say a is our uh, at ith index, and b is at our I plus 1th index. Okay, so what we will check, if a mod 2 equal to 0, so let's say this is a parity, even parity, and a b mod 2 also equal to 0, it means that both are even, then what we can say, we will return false. Or if both are odd, not equal to 0 and b mod 2 also not equal to 0, it means odd, then we are returning false. Why we are returning false? Because they both have same parity. If both have same parity, then it will be not be a special array. So yeah, it was easy, like, understood everybody? Yeah, so this is the case that we have to check, and these are the condition we are putting into the loop, and at the end of the loop अगर हमें कोई फॉल्स हमारा रिटर्न नहीं हुआ, तो इसका ये मतलब है कि ये स्पेशल एरे है, एंड इफ इट्स स्पेशल एरे देन वी विल returning the true in the end of the code. Okay, understood? Yeah, if I'll say show you the code, then I did the same check here कि पहले एन मतलब मैंने एरे की साइज निकाली, फिर जो पहला केस था वो चेक किया कि अगर एन की वैल्यू 1 है तो मैंने ट्रू रिटर्न कर दिया। फिर ये वही जे पॉइंटर की जो ए मतलब ith और here j minus 1 और b मतलब jth, yeah, and if both are even and if both are odd, it means that they have a same parity. It means that it will not be a special error, then we are returning false, and we are as we have to move our pointer for the next two adjacent. So here we are getting we are doing the j plus plus, और अगर ये special array है then we are returning the true. This is the end of the code. Yeah, this was very easy question. So if you like this video, then do like, do share with your friends. Thank you guys.